Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's lecture is on the role of ghost in Hamlet. The ghost in Hamlet is central to the play. It sets the ball rolling. But for the appearance of the ghost, the play would have flopped. Without the ghost, the revelation of the mystery about the death of the late king, the action of the play would not have moved. The importance of the ghost cannot therefore be dismissed. The ghost, says Bradley, confirms the doubts in the mind of the protagonist. Hamlet is already suspicious of Claudius and his mother Gertrude. The revelation of the ghost only confirms his doubts, and thus he becomes more hostile to them. Lest his intention should be known to his opponent, he put an anti-disposition. He wants to verify his revelations, and for this purpose he stages the play, The Murder of Gonzago, to catch the conscience of the king. In Hamlet, the ghost is subjective as well as objective. In the closet scene, the ghost is only seen by Hamlet, and therefore it is often described as subjective. The reason why Gertrude is unable to see the ghost is that she is sinful. In the beginning of the play, the ghost is seen by the two night guards, Marcellus and Bernardo. The ghost in the beginning of the play thus becomes an objective reality. Shakespeare did this to impress upon the audience that the revelation of the ghost is not illusion of Hamlet's mind, and therefore it deserves credibility. The ghost has threefold functions in the play. In the first place, it advances the action of the play. This fact has already been explained earlier. Secondly, it adds to the tragic atmosphere of the play. When the play opens, we find a strict vigilance before the court of Claudius. The appearance of the ghost in the midnight gives the impression that all is not well in the estate of Denmark. Thirdly, it reflects the attitude of the common people toward the supernatural. Marcellus and Bernardo's attitude towards the supernatural reflect the attitude of the common people. Horatio looks upon the ghost as a Puritan. To a Puritan, the soul of the dead assumes evil shape and walks out of the purgatory in the midnight. Horatio has the same point of view. Hamlet represents the Catholic view of the supernatural. The ghost in Hamlet thus plays a pivotal role. The movement of the action depends upon it. Besides, it adds to the tragic atmosphere of the play.